Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool setup. This is the initial checkout of this equipment, and this is Ed's equipment from up around Chicago, Illinois. And basically this is all Western Electric equipment. He's got a space saver here, and he's got a bell box that goes along with it. And this is just a very fine example of some very cool equipment. And so there's some issues going on, and this is the initial checkout. And we have a letter from him with some of the things that we need to do and that he would like to have done to this telephone. And so we're just going to kind of check this stuff out a little bit here. I noticed that the rotary's sluggish here. We also need a center dial ring and card, and on these, since it's the metal finger wheel, it's going to be a metal center ring here that goes here, and we'll figure out what kind of card that Ed wants to go with. But this telephone has its mounting bracket, and everything seems to be here. Just needs to be gone through, cleaned up, adjusted, oiled on the rotary, and make sure it's racking off properly. We're talking about some cloth cords here that we're going to have to go with, and we're just going to kind of go through everything here. Very fine example of some really nice Western Electric equipment. We're going to try to set this down here. Take a look at his handset, and of course it says Bell Systems, Western Electric. Going to kind of check and see if we've got a transmitter and a receiver here. Sometimes these will be missing. That says 1948 on it, 8 of 48. That's been around a while. See if we can't get the receiver off here. That's a very clean HA1. That's a receiver capsule. Some of the best equipment ever made, really. We'll kind of set this to the side here a little bit. Let's take a look at this bell box now. Gives you a look at the back view of it. We have a 4-conductor line running from the bell box over to the space saver. Very, very nice equipment. Got a little bit of damage here. We'll try to clean that up a little bit. Looks kind of like a corrosion, basically. But other than that, it all looks like it's in pretty good condition. I'll set this equipment back here a little bit. Kind of get into his bell box, take a peek in there, see what we got. Looks like it's in very good condition. Set that to the side here a little bit and get a look at his original bells here. Same bells that you'd find in a 302 or in a bell box of this age. He's got a network here. He's got his original capacitor, a little wiring block, so he's got the whole thing here. He's got his network, his bell, his capacitor, and we're going to be installing probably a plug-and-play situation with this. We'll install a couple of modular line ports inside this bell box, and then he can simply plug in to any line jack that he wants, and then also be able to plug the space saver into the bell box and vice versa. And we'll probably have a modular port installed in the space saver itself. So some really beautiful equipment here. Just cool to see this original, very fine example of Western Electric equipment. Just a really nice setup. And the bells, everything looks like it's in really good condition here. And we'll go ahead and set some of this to the side here and bring the space saver up. I'll try to get a look at the inside of the space saver here real quick. It's nice to have your original mounting bracket. You'd be surprised how many of these I've seen over the years where they don't have the mounting bracket. And it's a pretty important piece. And if you don't have it, you have to locate one or basically make a mounting bracket. We'll kind of take this apart here real quick. Get a quick look at this. I'm not sure exactly, or I don't remember exactly how Ed acquired this equipment, but he's got a nice little setup here. Seems to be in very good condition. It's pretty clean. This kind of gives you the look of the inside here, which is in really very good condition. Very clean. I don't know what kind of setting this was in, but it's in very clean condition. This has got 48 on it also. Very good condition. We'll pull off the back of the rotary here real quick. And kind of get a look at what the rotary looks like here. Very nice. Very good condition. There's your rotary here. We'll spin that a couple times. It's a little sluggish. We'll have to go through everything, clean it up, get it all squared away. Very nice. So Ed's going to be pretty happy to get this all taken care of and get it back into normal working condition. It's a very nice set of original Western Electric equipment. We have quite a bit to do to this because we're going to have to go through everything and check everything out and repair all these little different situations that we'll have with it. But other than that, this is some really fine equipment. very pristine condition, really, for the age of it. And to have it all together, the bell box and the Space Saver, is really a cool situation. So this is the initial checkout of this telephone and bell box. And this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. This is Ed's Telephone Equipment, Western Electric, from up around Chicago, Illinois. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.